iOS 13.5 beta comes with coronavirus related features. If ever there was a sign of the strange time we live in, it's an OS update that comes with COVID-19 related features. That is what's happening with Apple's upcoming iOS 13.5, which has seen a new beta release containing several changes to help fight the novel coronavirus. Earlier this month, Apple and Google announced their COVID-19 contact tracing plan. The platform built directly into their respective mobile operating system works like this. Bluetooth detects when two people are in proximity, at which point their phone swap anonymously identifiers. If someone gets diagnosed with the COVID-19, they can allow their device to send a list of everyone they have been in contact with to the cloud. Other phones regularly download a list of those who tested positive in their areas, and if there is a match, the owners are notified. The beta version of iOS 13.5 contains the first iteration of exposure notification API, so Apple can get feedback from public health authority developers. Both Google and Apple say they will release more information to devs about the program, which should help get the API ready for its official mid-May release. Other feature is person who is speaking get enlarged by default, thereby keeping the talking person tile small. Anyone who is used the likes of Zoom knows this is better option when in large groups. Not all beta features make it into the final OS version, but expect these health focused tools to be rolled out. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.